In this video, I'm gonna show you all camera settings available on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So let's open the camera. And first we need to go to the camera settings, so we can tap on these four dots, and then here we have camera settings. So we have, for example, Scene Optimizer, which automatically optimizes the color and contrast of pictures to make dark screens look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. We also have two scanners for documents and for QR codes. We can also tap over here in order to enable the auto scan. We have shot suggestions, where we can get on-screen guides to help you line up great shots. We have custom filters as well, so you can create your own filters, but this is, as I can see, just an information that such thing exists, so nothing to enable or disable here. Then we have swipe shutter button, where we can swipe down in order to take burst shot, or we can create a GIF or GIF by swiping down the shutter button. Then we also have watermark, so we can enable and disable the watermark, on which we can edit the name of our phone, we can add the date, we can also customize the date, or actually the format of the date, as well as time and its format as well. Then we also have font settings, alignment, and that's pretty much it. We have the option to use high efficiency pictures, so we can use or enable the HEIF format for pictures. We have the mirror effect for selfie camera, so we can enable and disable the mirror effect over here. It is called Save Selfies as Previewed. And we have the swipe up or down gesture that allows you to switch cameras. So for example, if I swipe up like this, I can flip to the front camera or back to the rear camera. Let's go back to the settings. The next thing that I want to show you that is in camera settings are some options for videos. So we have high efficiency videos. We can record videos in HEVC format. We have auto FPS, so when there are low light conditions, then the phone can try to drop the frame rate in order to optimize it a little bit. So we can record brighter videos by using the auto FPS, and we also have the video stabilization. Then we have some general options like auto HDR, where we can make our pictures pop by capturing more detail in the bright and dark areas of your shots. So if you want to enable or disable HDR, then over here we can do this. We have the composition guide section, where we can enable the grid lines and a leveler, both of them or just one of them, and of course none. We have location tags, so this is the option that allows you to save the location where the photo was taken, where you take your photos, or where you record your videos. So this information is saved in the details of the photo or video, so then you can check where you have taken the specific photo or where you have recorded the specific video. We have shooting methods, where we have customization of volume buttons. So by default we can use volume buttons in order to take a picture or record a video, but we can also switch it to zoom in or out, so you can zoom in with volume up and zoom out with volume down. And we also have control sound volume, so you pretty much get rid of any functionality that is related to the camera. We have voice commands, so you can say smile, cheese, capture, or shoot in order to either take a picture or start recording a video. You can also say record video in order to start recording a video. We have floating shutter button, where we can get an extra shutter button that we can move around. So it looks like this. We can, it's actually over here immediately. So as you can see, we can move it around, but if I press it, then of course I can take the photo. If you want to hide it, you can drag it to the middle over here, and it will be attached to the main button, and you can drag it out in order to get the additional button again. All right, let's go back here. And not only that, we also have show palm gesture, so you can show your hand to the camera in order to take a photo. All right, so these are all shooting methods. We also have settings to keep. So if you want to keep settings when you exit camera, and when you return to the camera you want to still have the same settings as you had before you exit, then you can enable and disable these options here. We have vibration feedback, so if you don't want your phone to have vibrations while using the camera, then you can turn it off over here. We also have Snapchat lenses in fun mode, so if you wish to use Snapchat lenses, then of course you can enable it over here. Then we have permissions, so we can grant permissions or actually see the permissions that are granted for the camera. We can reset all settings. We have about camera, where we can find the details about the camera, the version, and so on and so forth. And contact. And that's pretty much it. These are all settings available on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!